Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the gear and measuring the baseline. Make sure the headset is charged and firmware is current, then fit the ear tips snugly so you can hear if external noise leaks. Once done, switch ANC off and record a 10-20 second sample of the room to establish a noise floor. You want a reliable baseline to compare changes. This saves trial and error later and tells you whether fit or firmware is the initial issue. Now you tune the active systems. In the app, toggle ANC modes, standard, adaptive, and transparency, and listen for differences because each handles low and high frequencies differently. Then open the EQ and gently cut 100 to 500 Hz to tame rumble, using narrow notches for specific tonal peaks. At the same time, reposition any external or internal mics to find the sweet spot. Small angle changes can reduce hiss. Finish by validating your changes with /B comparisons and longer listening tests. Play speech and music to ensure natural voice and low-end balance. If noise remains, switch to a wired connection or try another phone to isolate whether the headphones or source causes it. When all else fails, perform a factory reset and make sure nearby electronics, chargers, routers, fluorescent lights, are moved or powered off, because electromagnetic interference often sounds like hum. If you see problems, restore defaults and repeat targeted adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.